Hello students, a very warm welcome. Hope you all are enjoying and going through the videos and doing your homework regularly. In the last video, we learned about the variety of food. Now, in this video, we are going to learn about the food and nutrition. See students, food is necessary to maintain life and growth. It helps our body function and to fight against illness. It increases our energy level, and nutrition is it is the process of providing food necessary for health and growth. So overall, food and nutrition is very necessary. Now see students, coming to page number 42. Can you recall? See, what is the first question is, why do we need food? See students, food is necessary for the working of our body. So the growth and the development of body is due to food. Now see, coming to the second question, what is meant by diet? See, whatever that we eat or drink throughout the day is together called a diet. Now coming to the third question, what are the reasons for variations in diet? Variation means difference. So the diet depends upon our hunger, health, age, the type of work that we do, and some other reasons. Now see students, see, can you tell? See, some of the food items in our everyday meals are given below. Now see what are there, like rice, moong, dal, amti, chawli, usal, chapatis, jowar bhakri, cabbage bhaji, pumpkin raita, carrot salad, onion pakodas, garlic chutney, lemon pickle, yogurt and papad. So, which of these dishes are served with large spoons or ladles and which ones with very small spoons? See, rice, moong dal, amti, chawli, usad and cabbage bhaji are the dishes that are served with large spoons or ladles, and the items which are served with small spoons are pumpkin raita, carrot salad, garlic chutney, lemon pickle and yogurt. Now see students, you divide these food items into two groups. See, those which are eaten in large quantities and those which are eaten in very small quantities. See, the food items which are in large quantities are rice, moong dal amti, chawli usal, chapatis, jowar bhakri and cabbage bhaji. And the food items which are eaten in small quantities are pumpkin raita, carrot salad, onion pakodas, garlic chutney, lemon pickle, yogurt and papad. Now see students, what is staple food? See, the food that is eaten routinely and in much quantity of our diet is called staple food. See, like chapati, bhakri or rice form a part of every meal we have. We eat more of these foods than of the others. Therefore, see, wheat, jowar, rice are said to be our staple foods. However, see students, with chapatis, bhakris or rice, we eat several other items also, which make our meals very tastier. Besides, for reasons of good health, it is important to include these food items in our meals. Now see students, coming to page number 43. Can you tell? See here, some pictures of some foodstuffs are given which we use to prepare our meals. Okay students, which one are you familiar with? If there are some which you have not seen, you try to get a look at them. See students, now we will see what questions they have asked. The first one, from which ones do we get flour? We get flour from jowar and bajra. Then the second one, from where do we get butter, ghee and yogurt? We get butter, ghee and yogurt from milk. Third one, from which ones do we get oil? We get oil from groundnut, sesame and safflower. Then the fourth one, which of these do we get from animals? Milk from cows and buffaloes, eggs and meat from the hen. And now the fifth one, which ones give a sweet, sour, bitter taste or are spicy, hot? See, sweet and chiku. Sour taste, tamarind, raw mango and lemon. And bitter taste, bitter gourd. And spicy and hot, chilies, cloves and black pepper. Now the sixth one. Which ones do we eat raw? We eat raw like cucumber, radish, chiku, raw mango and chili. Then the seventh one. Which one do we use in small quantities? We use cloves, chili, black pepper, tamarind and lemon in small quantities. Then the eighth one. Which one do we use in larger quantities? We use jowar, bajra and milk in larger quantities. See students, we have seen a wide variety in our foodstuffs. We use different foodstuffs for different purposes. We use milk to get butter. We get flours from jowar, bajra to make bhakris. To add a sour taste, we may use lemons or tamarind or raw mangoes. When making sweets, we may use either sugar or jaggery, which we get from sugarcane. So, differences in people's liking about the foodstuffs also decide the type of food they take. So, food related needs of our body are met with by our diet. Now see students, coming to page number 44. What do food constituents do for us? See, they give us strength for our body. Food constituents help us to do our daily work. They take care of functions like respiration and digestion which are taking place inside the body. Then they help in body growth, repair the wear and tear of our body. They provide nourishment to the body. They create energy store in the body. They make our bones strong. They give strength to fight against disease. And water helps in smooth functioning of our entire body. So, all the food constituents should be included in our diet in order to remain healthy. And eating different food items in our daily diet gives proper nourishment to our body. Now coming to page number 44, do you know? See, some people believe that costly foods are more nourishing than inexpensive foods. But that is not always true. All expensive foods are not more nourishing. Similarly, all cheaper foods are not less nourishing too. Now students, coming to page number 45, we'll see how we can preserve the nourishment in food ingredients. See, while preparing food items, some of the constituents in the foodstuffs can get destroyed. We can take the following precautions to avoid that. See now, when cooking food, add only as much water as is necessary and use a pressure cooker or cover the food with the lid while cooking it. And see, You use sprouts, pulses before using them. Use them while the sprouts are still small. Do not wait for them to grow long. And you use whole grain flour without sifting. And eat fruits like chickus, figs, grapes, apples along with their skins. And see, vegetables like carrots, radishes, cucumbers, beetroot should be eaten raw in the form of salads. And students, see, whenever possible, mix 2 or 3 foodstuffs in a dish. For example, add onions and potatoes to ussals. See, then you can add drumsticks to curries also. And then you add some soaked dals while cooking vegetables. Now students, coming for page number 46, a tongue for tasting. Now see, here a conversation is going on. We will read it out. See, as usual, we had all gathered in the garden in the evening. Monica Tai said, "Shall I tell you something funny about our tongue?" As we drew closer to her, she said, "How do we make water sweet without sugar? Just try this." So what she did, she told, "Chew an amla well and drink water right after that." So what will happen? The water tastes sweet. "Really? I never knew this," said Mary. Then Balu said, "We learned last year that our tongue helps us to taste things. But how does only one tongue tell us all the different tastes?" Then Subhash piped up, "So, do you want a different tongue for every taste?" That made everyone laugh. So Monica Tai said, "Balu, we have only 2 eyes. And how many colors do we see with them? So, one tongue can also tell us many tastes." So students, what we can learn from this? See that we understand different tastes with the help of our tongue. There are tiny taste buds on our tongue. The taste buds are sensitive to different tastes such as sweet, bitter, sour and salty. Now see students, observe this. See, wash your mouth, clean your tongue and stand in front of the mirror. Stick your tongue out and look at it carefully. You will see tiny peaks on the tongue. They are called taste buds. These taste buds tell us the different tastes. Now students, coming to page number 47. Know the different tastes. Now let us see how the tongue tells us the different tastes. See, collect the following things like sugar candy or jaggery, salt, tamarind or lemon, fenugreek, that is methi seeds, or a piece of an amla. Taste each of these things. After tasting each one, rinse your mouth with water. Wait for 2 minutes and then taste the next one. Copy the following table in your notebook and complete it. See, here the table is given. See, this student, you have to do it as activity in your scrapbook. Now see students, let's have some fun. Here's a game for you to play. Now see, 4 or 5 of you can play this game together. One person is the it. Each one of the other tells it the name of a foodstuff. For example, raw mango, green chili chutney, rock salt, a bundi laddu, khari bundi, a chiku, a medicine, etc. Now, a child who is it must show by miming what it tastes like. Miming means to show facial expression. Take turns to be it. When everyone has had a turn at being it, the game is finished. And now, students, we will have a quick recap of what we have learned. See, our diet includes many different food items. There is a great variety in the foodstuffs we use to prepare different dishes. The food constituents that meet our food related needs are present in these foodstuffs in different proportions. Our food related needs are met if our body gets all these food constituents in the right quantities. Our taste buds help us to know the different tastes. And students, we should always remember that our diet should include all kinds of foodstuffs. And now, students, coming for the homework. You have to read, learn, and write these words 10 times in your notebook. Like the first spelling is food, second one nutrition, third one milk, fourth one tamarind, fifth one sesame, sixth one jowar, seventh one sour, eighth one sugar, ninth one flour, and the 10th one butter. Thank you. Have a nice